Chef Aileen.
Wait, Chef Aileen. Where's your apron, guys?
Oh, I do the honors. Am I good?
No, what's going on?
What am I wearing? This is not right. Ian, one last time. Yes! Yes, we got it correct. Okay, so now let's introduce ourselves properly. I'm Aileen, Chef Aileen, and this is
Ian the leprechaun hunter.
okay. Have you got a leprechaun?
Yes, I'll show you it's money.
It's money. You took a leprechaun's money.
The money.
Okay, so for those of you that are new to our kitchen, we hope to bring part of our world into your kitchen. So now the kitchen rule. The kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, your work area is clean, have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule in the kitchen is
Happy 22 you!
22 year.
You're 22!
Okay, so let's try. Let's try it again. The most important rule in the kitchen is
Sister first!
so now let's get cooking. Drum roll, please. We're making spinach tortillas,
The super healthy.
and they're green. Well, we're St. Patrick's Day.
Wait, one hat trick first. You see I got no money in there, buddy?
You have money over here. Wait, are you?
La gorra pone dinero, Ian. Are you a leprechaun?
You never saw me. You never saw the leprechaun.
These are the ingredients. We're gonna need salt, spinach, beautiful spinach,
Oats and water.
and remember the secret to making perfect tortillas is to have the same amount of oats
and water.
Yeah. So let's get to it. So we have 4 cups of water boiling on our stove, and we're gonna put our spinach over there so it can cook. And then meanwhile, we're gonna make our oat flour. So, open.
Slowly, buddy.
Oats. You're gonna pour your oats.
And we're gonna blend it for 5 minutes. And each minute we're gonna scrape the edges.
Should I pour it into the Oh, we can do that.
Just try to keep the oats inside your blender.
Yeah. Right, Ian?
And that's the reason why we need our working area, what?
Clean.
Hold it down.
So now we're gonna blend our oats 5 minutes and scrape the edges.
Each minute we're gonna scrape the edges.
Blend. So it's been 1 minute, so we already scraped the edges, and make sure you do it every minute. And remember, it's 5 minutes.
In
okay?
total.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna shift
Sift it.
our oat flour. Okay.
And what are we gonna do with whatever doesn't go through the...
We're gonna blend it again.
So repeat this process until you're done shifting all your oat flour.
Yeah, like you see there's lumps in there.
A ver, Ian?
Like those big balls of little flour.
A ver, baby.
That's what we need to reblend.
Oh, okay.
Keep it in the bowl, Ian. One more. Okay, so we're done blending our oats, and we have 3 cups here. We had some extra here. We're not gonna reblend it. If you want, you can throw it away. We're gonna save it for just to mix it in.
It's not extra. It's the what the blender didn't blend. So you don't need it because you already have your
3 cups.
3 cups, and that usually always happens. You have a little bit left over, so.
Yeah. We're saving this to make oatmeal in the morning. So yeah. Bye-bye. And we're just gonna set this aside.
Yes.
Okay, so our water is ready. So we're gonna put our spinach. Come on, spinach. So we're just gonna let them cook, and you're gonna know that they're cooked because they're gonna turn dark green. And then once they're dark green cooked, we're gonna put them here and squeeze all the juice out, the water, and then we'll show you what else to do. So it's been 2 minutes, so we're gonna get them out. The bowl. And our bowl is green.
Get it closer to the stove.
Oh, no, spinach. Okay, I'll get them later. So now we're gonna lift it and squeeze all.
And don't forget to turn off your water.
Yeah. It looks like.
So we're taking the water.
Yeah, that water. It looks greenish. Yellow.
Oh, okay, so we need to let them drain. So show me what is next.
So we already poured the water that we had measured, the 3 cups.
And I pour it because safety, every time we do it, we ended up not knowing how many cups of water we have.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put our spinach and our salt.
Our salt.
Feels so weird.
Okay, so now let's put it over there. And you're gonna blend it until it's completely mixed.
Yep. Ready? And it's on smoothie, right? So now we're gonna boil our spinach water. It is spinach water.
Yes.
Basically.
Yeah, what happened to your face? Did jiu-jitsu get messy this time?
Yeah.
What? Okay, so we're gonna pour our water into our pot.
Yep.
And then we will show you what to do next.
Yep. Okay, so our spinach water is done boiling. So we're gonna put our flour, oat flour. Okay, and we're just gonna mix it. Make a foam.
So you need to make sure you make a dough.
Out of this green spinach.
And let me know if you guys need help because it gets a little bit
Thick.
thick. It's hard to mix.
Looks like
And make sure you turn off your stove. We already turned it off.
Looks like popcorn.
How is this looking like popcorn?
No, on the shape, look.
Look, it looks like it's kind of turning into dough, but
You need help, baby girl? Okay.
it's getting thick.
Oh, do you need the strong man's help?
Woo! Let's get it, Ian.
Let's see.
Tray spots. Tray spots.
Be careful, it's hot. Your hand is very close. I'm off duty. No, I think you need help.
Yeah. So our masa's ready,
And our mom made one. It's so,
it's amazing. You can roll it up like that.
you can make it like a taco. You can make a quesadilla. You can go like this.
It's like flexible, just like any other tortilla. That's well, yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
Wait, split it in half.
Boom.
Try one.
Boom.
So the masa is still warm. It's not hot. And you can either let it sit to cool down or you can just use
Do it
it.
like this.
We're just gonna use it. So of course, make sure it's not hot or
It's
your
warm.
kids or you will get burned. So it's just warm right now. So we're just gonna cut it in some small pieces so we can start either using the roller like Ian or using your tortilla maker like Aileen is gonna use it. And then we're gonna make our tortillas.
Yep.
No, now me. Boom, what's that?
Okay, so let's cut some not too small.
Not like last last time that they were
Yes,
really
you
small.
guys made like little taquitos.
You're cutting them crooked, Ian.
It doesn't matter, baby.
Yeah,
So
actually,
just cut them at home however you want them. If you want to make them like burrito size, you need to make them bigger. And if you want to make like little Mexican taquitos, you can make them smaller.
Yep. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my tortilla maker. Ian's gonna use
You have to put it exactly in the middle.
And
From both ways.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's gonna be,
That's
you're gonna be missing pieces. It's gonna be like a triangle. It's gonna be like,
Yeah.
you press it with the plate, Ian, so you can,
That's
You
the
have
most
to keep-
important part.
you have to keep flipping it around until you get it thin on both sides.
Well, we need to do that in ours, sweetie, because ours is just, it's not working properly. But if you
Oh,
get one of the good ones, wooden one, you don't have to flip it around. Ours is, it's still working, but
But
Also,
also,
you have to make sure it's thin on both sides. If
Yeah.
it's thick,
oh yes, don't
it
make
can't
them
be
too thick.
fat and then thin and then fat and then thin.
The same thickness. And we like to save them in a plate until we get ready to cook them, and we just separate them with some parchment paper.
that one looks good. It's kind of an odd shade.
That looks good, baby.
Like a head like mine.
So this is how you're gonna get it out. Put it flip like this.
Make sure it's not you have to flip it completely, Aileen.
Ooh, what? Yeah. Aw. Yeah,
Yeah.
I made it too thin from some
Okay.
side. Yeah, let me do that again.
Is that one better? No? Okay, so go slowly, Ian.
So you're gonna get your hand, you're gonna put it on top, and then here.
From this side, Ian.
Fold it back and start pulling it back. Start pulling.
Just careful.
Uh-oh, we need a new one. And we already have our comal on over there. It has to be at medium heat. And for now, we're gonna save them in our plate. Put the parchment paper. And now put your tortilla.
And then you put another one on top until you stack them.
Okay, come on.
Exactly. So we're just gonna speed it up, making our tortillas.
So we put our tortilla on our pan. So you're gonna wait for it to cook. 1 minute on each side. You're gonna flip it. And on the second time, when it's done, you're gonna flip it the third time, and you're gonna gently pat it in the middle, and you're gonna get a little bubble like any regular tortilla.
Okay, so we will keep you guys posted.
Yep. So when you see the edge kind of lifting up, that means that it's ready to flip. So time to flip it.
And that's our first flip. So now we're gonna leave it there for 1 more minute.
So I'm gonna do my second flip. Wait. We got a poofy tortilla. Look at that, so spongy.
And you will get that in your third flip.
I want to eat that. So our tortillas are ready. And look at it. It's like so flexible. You can make it into a little burrito, very small burrito.
You can make a casa taco, a quesadilla.
You can use them for anything you like, so your tortillas
gluten-free.
won't break. They're gluten-free, high in fiber.
Super healthy.
Yes, and very cheap to make, so you don't have to spend money making a delicious tortilla.
Okay, time to taste it.
Okay,
Get my matito.
get your plate.
Too small.
What? I'm gonna make a burrito out of mine. There. Come, tómala. The tortilla tastes amazing. Enjoy. So, thank you all of you from all around the world for your support and your amazing comments that we love. Right, Ian?
Yep.
They're so...
Kind, you guys are so sweet. We love, well, they love to read them.
Yeah.
Also,
He's just so in love with the tortillas. If you have trouble eating veggies, this is the best way to eat them.
Yeah, because the tortillas, they taste like normal ones.
Exactly.
So
And you
no
don't have to
one
buy
knows.
them. There's no preservatives. Like Aileen, she used to have allergies to whatever they put in the tortillas and food for the food to stay fresh. So we always had to make things fresh for her to eat. So this is the best way to eat healthy and save a lot of money.
Yep. So now,
Bye. Make sure you subscribe.